Way too many people give up on a question like this because it sounds confusing, and it looks confusing, right? There's a P and a Q and an R. There's all these pieces. It's very simple. The answer choices are basically telling you what to do, right? Get P alone, right? So if you know algebra, just do whatever it takes to get P by itself. In this case, the only thing that's with the P is the 34. And it's attached through addition. So we're going to use subtraction to make it go away, right? We're going to cancel it out by making a 0. So that will cancel here, but remember you have to do it to both sides. So there you go. Is that an answer? P is equal to Q plus R minus 34. Q plus R minus 34. That's it. That's the whole thing. So you could arithmetize here. We could have made up numbers for P, or I would probably make up numbers for Q and R and then use them to kind of solve for P. We can't make up 3 random numbers. One of the numbers has to be based on the other 2. But I think that's way more trouble than it's worth just based on what they're asking. If they had a more complicated version of this equation and there was like a lot of other things going on like division and multiplication and maybe exponents and radicals, then I'd probably arithmetize. But this is a one move kind of situation. The thing I think that scares people is P in terms of Q and R sounds messy, but it's not. In a lot of cases on the PSAT and the SAT and in real life algebra, you are not going to solve for a letter and get it equal to 2 or 5 or 7. It's not going to come out that way. You're getting a letter in terms of other letters. So we only understand P as it relates to Q and R and this 34. So that's very common on the PSAT and SAT. It is something to get comfortable with. And maybe you just haven't done a lot of that in school, but it's the same algebra rules that you are using to get x equals 5, right? It's the same stuff, except it doesn't have that kind of nice ending where it's just one number. It's a bunch of stuff, but it's in terms of those other things that we understand P. So it's a very useful skill. We use it all the time in algebra, so get comfortable with it.